What's up, you people? In this video, we're gonna be doing how to do this. And this. And this as well. And lots of more stuff. Now, there are many ways to do this. There is the easy way, and then there is the hard way. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the easy way, because why waste time in troubleshooting, wasting the precious limited time that we have into a thing that can be done more easily. Time is a limited resource, and we should all be using it very efficiently, right? I'm sure you're going to be using the time that you have very efficiently, like we all do. There might be many reasons that you want to do this. You might want to do this only for the sake of fun, because you saw some YouTube video and you thought it looked cool. So maybe that's your reason of doing it. You might have a business reason to do it, because you want to promote a product, or you want to, I don't know, have some business reason. Or you just want to cure your boredom and you are like really bored and you want to do something, but you want to do something that is productive in a way, so that you don't feel like you're wasting time, but you're kind of wasting time. So anyways, whatever the reason is, I got you covered. So in this video, we're gonna be going into the details of how to do that thing. And the keyword that you want to know is, it's called motion control. So you're basically transforming motion and then putting a different character into it. And the tools that I'm gonna show you in the video, I am not being sponsored by them. I'm too small for that. I mean, the channel is too small for that. And this is just something that I came across, and I think it's a pretty cool thing. Amazing times that we live in. So with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, people. So to get started, you need a couple of things first. First of all, you need the video clips that you need to convert into a different character. And those are the ones that you see in here. So let's take a look at this one. It needs to be the exact clip that you want to convert into a different character. And then you need the picture of a character that you want to convert into. Now, you can generate these pictures via AI. You can get it from the internet, but I think what's better is that it's in the same pose, it's in the same position than your source image, and the source image is going to be this one. So for example, I generated a couple of pictures through AI image generators. First example is this one. I honestly don't know who this person is, never seen this person before, but looks like a very professional person, and seems like she's doing her homework or studying for something, or she's in an office doing some very important work. So and similarly, we have a picture of our ex-president, and then we have Ronaldo in here doing some stuff, working on something, I don't know what. Now what you need to do is to grab a frame from the source video. And how you can do that is, you can open this in any image or video editor. For example, I've got CapCut, and if I open that in CapCut, and then you can select which frame do you want. So let's say I want this frame, and I can just open this up, and then I can click on or press on the print screen button, and it's gonna bring up the screenshot tool, and then you just take a screenshot of this frame, and it's already saved into your clipboard if you're using Windows. This is all about Windows. And you can just then go into, was it Paint or something? I think so, it's Paint. And you can just also paste that picture in here, and also save that picture if you want. But just being this in clipboard will also work. Now once you have your source image and then your target image, all you need to do is do an image swap or a character swap for the two. Now for this, you can use any of your favorite image generators. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, and pretty much any image editor will do that thing for you. And to show you the results of that, I've got this folder called converted, and if I convert that first image into the target image, then I get something like this. And I think this looks pretty good in my opinion. I've got all the background is the same, but the character here is... Now this was the first way to do it. The second way to do it is to take that the frame that you got from here, that is going to be this one, and then you go to the image generator and then just say that, okay, convert this or swap the person in this image into some other person. Now some image editors will do that, but some others will not do that, so you need to do a bit of a trial and error thing in there. I've got a very different video on how to do local image generation and fully uncensored ones as well, so go take a look at that if you want. But even the commercial image generators should do this thing. And for example, I can show you the ones that I used here, and I am using Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and this is being done in Google Cloud. So, but you can use the same models in any other place as well. So I said that, okay, you are an expert in character swapping, and I said that, okay, swap the man in this picture, that is this guy, with Cristiano Ronaldo in a suit, and then it gave me this thing. Everything else is the same, but then we have Ronaldo sitting in there. So the thing that you see here is in the converted folder is basically this thing. So I got it to generate this picture, which is, if you compare it with this one, I think it's also not a bad picture. Again, a disclaimer, I don't know who this person is, just a random person. Then we got Mr. Barack Obama here, looking pretty good. Everything else is the same. And then we have Ronaldo that we just saw how to do that. Now, once you've got these pictures and you've got the video clips that you want to convert, you are in a good place to do that. And now what we gotta do is that we gotta go to a website called ElevenLabs, and this is the part where it gets a bit easier, and when it gets easier, you know, you gotta have to pay something because you're using a service. So I paid ElevenLabs for the starter plan, and it costed me about $6 or so, and I got 40,000 credits, and then you can use those to do various things in here. I know $6 is not that high, but also not that low. I mean, it's cheaper than a cup of coffee in Starbucks. So if you gotta do some stuff in AI, you gotta be willing to spend a little bit of money in some things. Now, once you've made an account in here, you have to go to image and video in here. Now, again, a short disclaimer, I am not being sponsored by ElevenLabs. This is just something that I found, and I think it's pretty cool and also pretty cheap to do this thing. So what we're gonna do now is we have the video tab clicked in, and from here we're going to choose the model. We needs the motion control model. So if we type in motion control, you get two of these. So you've got Kling 2.6 and Kling 3. You can try with both of them if you've got the credits. 2.6 is a bit cheaper. So if you click on here, and then you see you select the character that you want to select. So let's say we want this character, right? The red person. We select this, and for the motion video, I'm gonna say that I need the first video that I have, the first clip that I have in here, and I select this one, and we need to select match video. Match video is turned on, and now it's getting uploaded, and once it's done, we will be running it, and let's see where once it's uploaded, you'll see how many credits it's gonna consume. So if I generate this one, it's gonna consume about 7,000 credits, and I'm still gonna have 3 videos left. I think that the 3 is like the total amount that I've got left, so I think it's enough for me. Let's say generate, and I don't think I need to describe anything in here. It's just gonna put this image into this video. So let's see, 3, 2, 1, and go. And while that's happening, we can see that it's being generated here. It's gonna take some time. So go grab a cup of coffee or any drink of your choice, and let's see what happens when the results are here. Alright, so now it's done, and here you can see the results. Looks pretty fine. So it did the character swapping thing, and you can open it up, and this is how it is. You can also edit it directly in here if you want to. And this, so you can also do lip syncing if you want. So if you don't like, if you want to also change the voice in here, you can do that thing as well. All you gotta do is that click on this use in lip sync, and then you can select the voice, and it's gonna apply that to your clip. But let's not do that in this turn. Let's go back and try to do the same thing for the other clips that we have. So let's have the character at this time. Let's say we take Mr. Obama, and for the motion video, let's select the second one, and again, match video is on. That needs to be the one. And that's pretty much it. And then once this is uploaded, I'm gonna click on run, and it's gonna do its thing again. So since this is a shorter video, it's gonna take less credits, and now it's saying that I've got 4 videos left of this size, of this length. So let's click on generate, and it's again gonna take a couple of minutes to do. Maybe this is gonna be a bit faster because this clip is a bit short. Alright, so something happened, and it said that generation failed because it violates their terms of service. Alright, I did not expect that. I guess you can't do Mr. Obama into a video range, but I mean it allowed me to do this person. So I mean, this is a public figure, this is a public figure, so both should be okay. But alright, I think this is, since this is politics, so maybe that's why. Let's try this with the third character that we had, and that was Ronaldo. And let's see if this one works. Alright, seems like you can't even do this thing now. So this is also a public figure, maybe you can't do this thing. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna generate some new pictures, and let's try some new characters into this. I'm just doing this live for the first time, and I think it's good to do it this way because then I can show you also the things that failed rather than the things that just work. Because when you're doing it for the first time, lots of stuff fails, and it's very important to capture that as well. So let's go to Agent Studio, and let's try to convert this picture with let's convert it into an alien from outer space. Let's see if this works. So it gave me this picture. This is fine. I mean, it's an alien, so that's fine. I think we can use that. Or let's try something else. Let's download this anyhow, and let's try this for let's say with Vegeta. I'm curious if this works or not. Okay, now I've got Vegeta, but the whole thing is anime, so I'm curious to see if ElevenLabs can do this thing with character swapping. And let's do one more. I wonder if I do just a generic woman, will that work? With a woman, let's see if this works. Alright, not so bad, it converted me into a woman, so let's try this as well. So let's download this, and let's say that I want to go back here. Let's cancel this one, and for the character I'm gonna put that newly downloaded character. Now that's been uploaded, and we've got 4 left, and I hope so this works, because this is not a public figure, and this seems to be working so far. It's 46% done. Alright, it's done. Let's see how the results are, and this as well. Now again, if you want to change the voice, you can do that in the lip sync in here. So let's do the third one, and that was gonna be Vegeta. Let's do Vegeta and see if this thing works with Vegeta. And we've got 3 left, so we can try this. Actually, let's do the last video on this one. So that's the last video, the last clip that's being uploaded, and it's going to be a shorter one. So since this is a shorter video, it's going to consume less credits. And now we have 4 of these left. So let's see if this works. Doing its thing. So we got to wait. And now it failed as well. I don't understand why. I guess let's retry this, but I think it's gonna do the same thing. So Vegeta, I think, is also I think it's copyrighted, so that's why you can't do it. Let's try the alien video, or the alien picture. So we've got the alien picture in here, and let's do this. And now I hope this goes through. I think it's gonna go through. Let's see. Alright, this seems to be done, and looks like it's working. And lots of more stuff. So it seems like it did that thing. And lots of more stuff. So this is the way how to do the easy character swapping in video. So that was it. That is how you do character swap of a new character into an existing video. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. This is a new channel and I have no idea what things you guys like and what things you don't. So let me know, give me some constructive feedback so that I can use that to improve my videos, add the things that are, or keep the things that are good and drop the things that are not so good. And since this is a new channel, I would really appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button, because there are lots of things that I want to try. PewDiePie came up with his own AI thing. I want to see what that is about. And I just found out that you can generate music, AI music, locally on your own laptop. And I want to try that as well. And then there is lots of new AI stuff that is on my list to try, and I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna make videos about how you can do that as well. So if you're curious about that, if you want to know how stuff works, then do consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video if you liked it, because that helps a lot. If you did not like it, then maybe at least comment on why didn't you like it or what things I can improve. This is a very small channel, it's a very small community, so you guys can really influence on the direction this channel takes. With that being said, I wish you a very good day and see you next time.